guys? Back again at the Ccsu Car Show
with another vlog.
Take you guys along at the show right now. It's a bunch of Subies. We all just pulled up together. It's probably one of the most packed CCSU shows I've been to so far.
Last year wasn't this packed.
Yeah, I've probably gone to like the past 3 years. Not as big as UConn, but it's up there. Yeah, so we'll just take you guys through, show you guys some cars.
And let's go.
Alright, this is my boy Pedro's 2017 STI. Black like mine. He got the splitter, the lip, you know, his shit looking clean. This is my boy John STI 2016 limited. You can see with the BBS wheels. This dude got a ETS extreme exhaust, loud as fuck. Pedro, what's the exhaust setup, bro?
Nameless, axle backs.
4-inch.
Yeah, that's it. Stock.
Top bread.
Stock. Facts. Feel me? Because we already got enough power, you know? This is my boy Jake's WRX.
You know how to say this?
Chalita's WRX. And then my STI right here. Don't mind it, it's dirty as hell. Went out last night and didn't have time to wash it. My lip fucking ripped off again, but you know, Chalita hit me up with the zip ties. Alright, we're at the upper garage right now. Take you guys through and then go through the bottom, see what's up.
Gang, gang.
Yes, nigga. Look at him flexing with the Yeezys. Yeezy gang.
Alright guys, we were just up there and now we're on the lower level of the car show. Let's go. This kid's about to smash this car. We don't know where, but they already started slamming it.
Damn, he about to go hit on this shit.
All right, let's see what we got.
Hello? Yeah. My brother's about to hit the car. With the sledgehammer? $5 for 10 swings.
Oh, hey, you're splitting the doors, man. 3. One more. Let's make it count, man.
Alright, I'll come
kept that.
Alright, I just did it. Now he doing it now.
Yeah.
Damn, I wish I hit that door out. The junk strong as hell. What you going for?
Trying to hit that bumper off. Alright, take your bud anywhere you want. One. Two. One more, make it count. I can break that bumper.
Trying for the bumper, it's not coming out.
Nice swing.
Damn. Try to break that shit, didn't break.
Big fail. I tried for the door, tried for the bumper and everything else. Big fail, yo. Nah. STI versus STI. Two different exhausts. Blue. Touch on. Alright, yo, we're out at the Ccsu Car Show.
It's 1:34 right now. I think I still got a couple hours left in the show, but
We're hungry.
yeah, hungry. You already know where we're going.
Krausers. Alright, guys, after a long day,
Yep. We got our Krausers, got the drinks,
got the wings,
you know,
Mhm.
steak and cheese.
like always.
Tired as fuck.
Alright, yo.
Catch you guys next time. Probably Wicked Big Meat. We'll have a next vlog coming for you guys.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Let us know. Give us feedback what we should do better. Trying for you guys. Trying to, you know, make the quality better. You know? All right.
Peace.
Peace.